Good morning to all. Let us start the chapter Arithmetic Progression from the class 11 books. Chapter name is Arithmetic Progression from R.D. Sharma book for class 11. Exercise 19.2. See, find the 10th term of the AP. AP given, arithmetic progression given 1, 4, 7, 10. You have to find out A, first term, common difference, then you can find 10th term. Same process, number 1, there are 3 parts are there. Let me solve some question from this exercise, okay? Just see. Exercise 19.2 I am doing. Question number 1. The first part it is given. First part is given AP. What is the AP? Arithmetic progression given 1, 4, 7, 10. From this it is clear that A means first term, that is 1. Common difference to consecutive term 4 minus 1, 7 minus 4, 10 minus 7, that is 3 coming. And you have to find out 10th term, that means n is equal to 10. Therefore, nth term formula is what? First write the nth term formula, that is A plus n minus 1 d. This is the nth term formula. Now just apply here 10th term, putting n is equal to 10, that will be A plus 10 minus 1, that will be 9d. A means what? 1, 9, d is equal to 3, 9 is 27 plus 1, that is 28. So what is the 10th term? The 10th term is 28. In this way, question number 1, first part completed. The second part question given, just to see what is given second part. Second part given AP given AP, that is root 2, 3 root 2, 5 root 2. In this way, few numbers are given, that is an AP. So here A means first term, that is root 2. Common difference, how will find common difference? That is second term and the first term, 3 root 2 minus root 2, 2 root 2, 5 root 2 minus 3 root 2, everywhere coming 2 root 2. The common difference is 2 root 2 and you have to find out 18 term, n equal to 18. Okay, after identification A and D, then you have to find out nth term formula. Nth term formula is what? A plus n minus 1 d. Just you have to memorize the formula. Therefore, 18 term, putting n is equal to 18, this will be A plus 17d. 17d. 18 minus 1, A means here root 2. This is 17, d means here 2 root 2. 17 2 ja 34 root 2. 34 root 2 plus root 2, it is coming 35 root 2. So what is the answer? 35 root 2. Let us go next question, number 3. Number 3, AP given, the required given AP, that is 13, 8, 3 minus 2 dot. So here A means first term, that is 13. Common difference, that is second term minus first term, 8 minus 13. 3 minus 8, you will get minus 5. And you have to find out nth term. Nth term will directly apply nth term formula. Nth term formula is A plus n minus 1 d. A means here 13 plus n minus 1, d means here minus 5. Now open the bracket, this will be 13, this will be plus 5 minus 5n. 13 plus 5 is 18 minus 5n. So what is the nth term? Nth term is 18 minus 5n. Initial number 1, all the 3 parts completed. Okay. And number 2, just I'm solving number 3. Let's see number 3. See number 3, first part you will find which term of the given AP is 248. The AP given here, the given AP number 3 first part, that is 3, 8, 13 dot dot. The which term is 248. Okay, 248. So let nth term, let the nth term be 248. So now nth term formula is what? A plus n minus 1 d. The nth term here given as per the question I have taken 248. M is here first term, that is 3 from the series. N minus 1 common difference is coming here 5 gap means 5. Yes or no? Now 3 bring this side 248 minus 3 divided by 5 will give you L minus 1. This is coming 245 by 5 is equal to N minus 1. Now divide 5 4 is 20, 5 9 is 45, minus 1 bring this side, N equal to 50. N is equal to 50. Therefore, which term is 248? Finalize. Therefore, 50th term is equal to 248. And this is the required answer of number 3, first part. The number 3, second part, the given AP, that is AP given 84, 80, 76, the last one is given 0. Let nth term be 0. Let nth term be 0. Therefore, nth term formula is what? A plus n minus 1 d is equal to 0. Here a means here first term given 84, n minus 1 d, the common difference will be, just to see, minus 4. That means 84 is equal to, take that side, this is 4 whole into n minus 1. Now dividing 4, this will be 21 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore, n is equal to how much? 21 plus 1, which is equal to 22. N equal to 22. Therefore, 22 term is equal to 0. In this way, I have completed number 3 second part also. Thank you for today's class. Next day, more.